Welcome back to the Restaurant Clicks channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about two popular ingredients that are often used in cooking: shallots and onions. While they may look similar, there are some key differences between these two ingredients that can make a big difference in your dishes. So let's dive in and explore shallots versus onions. Shallots are a member of the allium family, just like onions and garlic. They have a milder flavor than onions and are often described as having a sweet and delicate taste. Shallots are usually smaller than onions and have a reddish-brown skin. They also have a more elongated shape than onions. Onions are a staple ingredient in many kitchens around the world. They have a strong, pungent flavor and are used in a wide variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and sandwiches. Onions come in different sizes and colors, including white, yellow, and red. They have a papery outer skin and a fleshy inner layer. One of the main differences between shallots and onions is their flavor and aroma. Shallots have a milder, sweeter taste than onions, with a subtle hint of garlic. They also have a less pungent aroma than onions, which can be overpowering for some people. On the other hand, onions have a strong, distinctive flavor and aroma that can add depth and complexity to your dishes. Shallots and onions also differ in their texture and appearance. Shallots have a softer, more delicate texture than onions, which can be slightly crunchy when raw. They also have a reddish-brown skin and a more elongated shape than onions. On the other hand, onions have a firmer texture and a papery outer skin that needs to be removed before cooking. They also come in different sizes and colors, with the most common being white, yellow, and red. Both shallots and onions are versatile ingredients that can be used in a variety of dishes. Shallots are often used in French cuisine, where they are used to add flavor to sauces, dressings, and soups. They also work well in stir-fries, sautés, and roasted vegetables. Onions, on the other hand, are used in a wide variety of dishes around the world. They are a staple ingredient in many cuisines, including Italian, Mexican, and Indian. Onions can be sautéed, caramelized, roasted, or fried to add flavor and texture to your dishes. They are also commonly used in soups, stews, and curries. Both shallots and onions are packed with nutrients and health benefits. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help promote digestive health. They also contain antioxidants, which can help protect against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Shallots are also a good source of vitamin C, while onions are rich in sulfur compounds that may have anti-inflammatory effects. So there you have it, a comparison of shallots versus onions. While they may look similar, these two ingredients have some key differences in flavor, texture, and appearance. Both shallots and onions are versatile ingredients that can add flavor and nutrition to your dishes. So the next time you're in the kitchen, consider using shallots or onions to add some depth and complexity to your cooking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.